welcome to EV2 Crafts. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this really cute woven butterfly. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 popsicle sticks, we're going to place a drop of glue in the middle, and we're going to create an X. Once that drop of glue is all dry, as you can see, she is tying a knot around the middle of the X using pink yarn. And what she's going to do now is we're just going to wrap the yarn around the middle and work our way to the wings. We're now going to take a green pipe cleaner and we're going to cut that in half. Using one of the halves, we're going to put that around the center of our X, and that is going to be the body of the butterfly. As you can see, she's twisting the ends to secure the body, and she's using a wooden bead as the head for the butterfly. Taking a smaller piece of pipe cleaner, we're going to put that at the top, and that's going to create our little antenna. Now to decorate the tail of our butterfly, she took some little pony beads in multiple colors and she strung them on the bottom of the body. Secure the pony beads at the end, all we're going to do is we're just going to take the bottom of our remaining pipe cleaner and twist it upwards. To finish our butterfly off, all we did was draw a cute little face on it, and that was how we made this really cute woven butterfly. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!